Today, let's talk about how to fix Instagram Reels stock uploading. If you're trying to upload an Instagram Reel and it is stuck in the process, let me show you a couple of steps that will help to solve the issue. Now, the first and the easiest method is you can just head out of your application of Instagram and then head back in. By doing this alone, you should be able to fix this issue. Now, if this step does not work for you, the second thing that you can do is try to restart or clear the data of your Instagram app. If you're on an Android device, you can tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info. And from this screen, if you scroll down, or you'll also be able to see the option called clear data. You can tap on the clear cache option, tap on OK, as well as tap on the clear data option. Now what this will do is log you out of your Instagram account so that you need to log in back. The second thing that you can also do is try to look for any new updates available on the Instagram application. Head over to the Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you do see new updates, make sure you update the application. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram Reels stock uploading.